Hello children, today we'll learn the chapter 25, that is complementary angles. Okay, in this chapter we shall be discussing and using the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and with their applications. Do you remember complementary angles? What is complementary angle? Okay, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equals to 90 degree. So here two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree, that is 30 degree plus 60 is equal to 90, then 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 degree, whereas x degree plus 90 degree minus x is equal to 90. Then for angle, let's say this is 48, its complementary is its complement is 90 minus 48 is equal to 42. So 42 is a complement of 48. Then for angle theta, its complement is 90 minus theta. So based on this, we'll study the complementary angles, that is chapter 25. So let us draw super hexagon diagram again. Join all the diagonals, write one in the center of the hexagon. Start off with this vertex tan. Tan is nothing but a sine by cos. Cot is opposite to tan. So cosec as 3 c's on the right side. Then what remains is a sec. So look at this. Look at this arrow. Okay, what does it tell us? So here sine of an angle is equal to, so I'll write here, sine of an angle is theta here. Sine of an angle is equal to the cosine of its complementary angle. It's theta. Theta is its complementary angle is 90 minus theta. Similarly, look at this arrow. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. And look at this arrow. This is sec theta is equal to cosec of 90 minus theta. Okay. And what if this arrow is drawn this way? This arrow is drawn this way. Then we get cos theta. This way means cos theta is equal to sine of 90 degree minus theta, whereas this angle, so cot theta is equal to tan of 90 degree minus theta, and the last one is cosec theta is equal to sec of 90 minus theta. So please remember all these 6 formulas here. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Sec theta is a cosec of 90 minus theta, whereas the reverse will be the cos of sin of 90 minus theta. Cot theta is a tan of 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is a sec of 90 minus theta. Then we see some examples here. So exercise 25. So I'll take first one. So evaluate cos of 22 divided by sine of 60. Sorry. Exercise 25. So evaluate cos of 22 divided by sine of 68. So solution, cos of 22 divided by sine of 68 degree. I can write it as here. What is cos? Cos is nothing but a sine of 90 minus theta. So cos, so this cos complementary is a cos of 90 minus 68 by sine 68. So cos of 90 minus theta is what? So cos of 90 minus theta is a sine theta. So cos of 90 minus 68 is 22. So 22. So cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is a sine theta. So I'll write this one as a sine 68. Here 68 represents theta. 68 represents theta here. So sine of 68 divided by sine of 68 is equal to 1. Let's see the second example. Tan of 47 divided by cot of 43 degree. Okay, so instead of 47 I'll write tan of 90 minus 43. So 43 is the complement of 47 here. So this is the cot of 43. So tan of 90 minus theta. So tan of 90 minus theta is a cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is a cot theta. So I'll write here instead of tan, I'll write cot of 43 because 43 again represents theta here. So cot 43, again this is 1. Let's see one more example. Sine square 40 degree minus cos square 50 degree. So sine square 40, I'll write this one as a sine square. Instead of 40, I'll write 90 minus 50 because 50 is a complement of 40 minus cos square 50. So sine 90 minus theta is nothing but a sine 90 minus theta is nothing but a cos theta here. So I'll write sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but a cos. This is cos square 50 because 50 represents theta here minus this cos square 50 is equal to 0. See one more example. Fourth one. Show that tan of 10 into tan of 15 into tan of 75 into tan of 80 is equal to 1. So I'll write this tan, instead of 10 I'll write in this method 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80. Then tan of this 15 I'll write it as 90 minus 75 into tan 75 into tan 80. So tan 90 minus 80 is a tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta. This is cot of 80 into tan of 90 minus theta is again cot theta cot 75 into this tan 75 into tan 80. So I'll take all 80s one side here. Cot of 80 into tan 80, then cot of 75 into tan of 75. So cot 80, so tan 80 I can write it as 1 upon cot 80, because the reciprocal of tan is 1 by cot into cot 75 into 1 upon cot 75. So this and this get cancelled. So here 1 into 1 is this and this get cancelled, into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So this is the answer. So let's see one more. For triangle ABC, show that sine of A plus B upon 2 is equal to cos of C upon 2. But as you know, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So here I want A plus B. So A plus B is equal to, I'll transfer this C this side because right side is a C. So we need to prove C. Okay. So I have taken this C this side. So for this I'll apply sine of A plus B by 2 by dividing 2 on both sides, that is sine of 180 minus C divided by 2. Because sine of 180 minus theta is a cos theta again, so I have taken 180 minus C. So here sine of A plus B by 2 is nothing but here sine of 180 minus C. So I'll write this one as a sine. This is 90. 180 by 2 is a 90 minus this is C by 2. So this is sine of A plus B by 2. So sine of 90 minus theta is a cos theta. So I'll write cos of C by 2. Hence the proof. So I'll give some homework for you all. Try to find out those. Evaluate sec of 75 divided by cosec of 15. Then second one, cos of 55 sine of 35 plus cot of 35 degree divided by tan of 55 degree. Then second one, sec square 18 minus cosec square 72. Then sine of 42 into sine of 48 minus cos of 42 into cos of 48. Then third one, show that sine of 42 into, I'll take sec here, sec of 48 plus cos of 42 into cosec of 48 is equal to 2. Then fourth one, for triangle ABC, show that tan of B plus B by 2 is equal to cot of A by 2. So that's all, guys. Hope you all have understood. Please try to find out the given homework. Thank you.